Hey guys, we are here for a party. Today we eat tofu nabe at九州黒太鼓. Tofu nabe means Gout Pot. I actually made this video for a friend who lives overseas. He will be coming to Japan in March, and I wanted to document some good restaurants now. Okay, let's look inside. As I enter the restaurant, I am greeted by a pathway surrounded by bamboo. The atmosphere is great. The seats look like this. Very good, but it's the taste of the food that matters, right? I ordered my drink first. Japanese izakaya have otoshi. The otoshi comes out on its own and costs money, but think of it as a seat charge. And sorry to inform you, but the otoshi are hardly ever good. In fact, even the Japanese do not want that. The sad story is over. Let's look at today's special. There is a lot of seafood. I like ankimo and shirako, but I stopped because they are in the tofu nabe. First, I ordered goma buri. Buri is delicious in winter because of its fatty taste. Eating it with sesame sauce is the Kyushu way. This was so good. The combination of sesame and buri is best. I was enjoying the buri and then came the tofu nabe. This is ankimo, it's an anglerfish flavor. This is oyster. And this is shirako, this is a cold meat. It's something else until it is cooked. This is basashi. It's raw horse meat. Taste is normal, I think. Okay, next. This was so delicious. This is nichinandori no goroyaki. It is grilled directly over charcoal. It has a very nice smoky aroma and juicy. I love it. Now, tofu nabe is ready. It is tasty. I'm still not very good at English, but thank you for watching the video. I'm not confident in my English, but I am confident in my ability to identify good food. Finally, I will rate the restaurant. 1 star is nice for sightseeing. 2 star is good value for money and delicious. 3 stars means the food is super good, and you should go there even if it is expensive. This restaurant has 1 star. The atmosphere of the restaurant and the side dish were good, but the main dish of tofu nabe was not tasty. If I had the motonabe, my evaluation might have been difficult. And maybe because it was an izakaya, but it was a bit too expensive. It cost about 5,000 yen per person. But it's a nice place to have a lot of unusual food in one restaurant. So, 1 star. Let's go to Sushiro next time. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.